Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Greet the abs all the way. It is noodle time. The noodle master is here. And hey, we stepped up from the 99-cent store and we actually went to a real Japanese store. And this is what I got. The Japanese yakisoba. I think that's what that means right there. But hey, we can read that. That's some English right there. Perfect. And in umami sauce. Ready in 3 minutes. Oh! Yeah, whatever this means as well. Arigato gozaimasu. Yeah. What's the instructions? Please be in English. No instructions? They just expect me to know how to make this? I mean, I should, right? I am the noodle master. But, like, seriously though, like, what's going on here? Come on. Maybe instructions inside? Wow, really? Okay, so it says, caution, do not microwave. Wow, really? Oh, cooking directions, really fine right here. Gotta have my glasses to see this. Please check the inner lid. There we go. So anyways, let's get to the kitchen and I will read this as the cinematic is rolling. Okay, let's get going, come on. Guys, here it is. Yakisoba. Smells like Japan. Ah, I miss those smells. Yeah. Okay. Well, that was different, huh? Especially with the boiling the water. Like, seriously? Like, I was like, why do we do this? Instructions inside. Had to go up to this the edge right here, and I was like, oh, okay. So that's how you do it. All right. But anyways, so this is how it came out. Just like that. Since we're doing the real deal in Japanese noodles, why don't we do the chopsticks? Alright, yeah, cheers. First time, first time. And of course we have the sriracha in case we need it. Right on. Okay, cheers everyone. Ooh, it's hot. It's still hot. Hold on. Hold on. Calm down. Calm down, noodles. Noodle master doesn't want to get burnt, alright? Take it easy. And we are back, guys. There we go. By the way, I paid $2 for this, I believe. A little more than $2. So these better be good. Counting on you, Japan. Hold on, let's try another bite. Hold on, hold on. I feel like there's something missing, but the texture of the noodles, just imagine like the cup of noodles, alright? Those type of noodles. What is missing? Come on now. What's the problem here? I guess the problem is no sriracha, so should we lather it up, everyone? I think so. Yep. Alright, everyone. Take our chopsticks out. Here we go. Come on. I think I'm running out, am I? Oh, there we go. Okay. Alright. That's good enough. That's good enough. There we go. Can you see it? Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I taste a little bit of teriyaki, but I mean, am I supposed to taste teriyaki or unami sauce? Like, what is unami sauce? I smell the sriracha, that's for sure. Do the Japanese add sriracha to their noodles, or? But they use their own type of hot sauce. Okay, now let's give it a try. A lot better. A lot better. Wash it down. Ah, yeah. Yeah, these are the noodles. You know what else would be good in here? Sesame seeds. But I have to say, I think I dig the thicker noodles better than these cup of noodle ones. Yeah. I mean, these are alright. I mean, the sriracha surely helped. Like, seriously, like, this stuff is legendary, as I always say. Yeah. Sriracha. You guys want a bite? You guys want some noodles? Yeah, way better. Delicious now. It was like a 4 out of 10. Now it's like at a 5.5. 5.5 out of 10. Six out of 10 now. Just keeps getting better and better. Let's see if we can bump it up to a 6.5. Let's see. Here we go. Let's try a good bite here. Yep, there she is. 6.5 out of 10. Getting really spicy. Not like those other ones I had. Oh. No thank you. No thank you. Delicious, everyone. It's that, or I'm just super hungry. It's my breakfast. Some noodles. Oh, it's almost gone. Spice is really getting in there. Oh! Chopsticks dropped. Oh, that's not good. It's alright, whatever. Almost there. Oh! Sauce! Burning my face. Ooh. Delicious. Okay, a little bit more. A little bit more. Hold on. Almost there. There we have it. Some Japanese noodles, the real deal, yakisoba, straight from the legit Japanese store. All right, everyone. 6.5 out of 10. This stuff super duper helps. So anyways, we'll see you next time. I am the Noodle Master. That's my score and review. I wish I knew the name of it, but not at that level of reading Japanese yet. So anyways, arigato gozaimasu. Bye bye bye. Woo.